Hello friends, welcome to my geography series. Here first we'll discuss about the world and its geography. So the world is made up of around 7 continents and 5 oceans. So first continent we can see is Asia, second continent is Africa, then Europe, then North America, then South America, Antarctica and Australia. These are the 7 continents. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7 continents. So the world is made up of 7 continents, which are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, and Australia. Okay, the largest continent is Asia. The smallest continent is Australia. Please remember this. And the world is also made up of 5 main important oceans. That is Pacific Ocean. This is the Pacific Ocean. This is Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. In Atlantic Ocean, this is North Atlantic Ocean. This is South Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean is divided into two, that is North and South. Next is Indian Ocean, and this is Southern Ocean. Then it is Arctic Ocean, and again this is Pacific. Here also Pacific Ocean is coming, here also Pacific Ocean is visible. So because the world, as our earth is round, so Pacific Ocean is visible on the both side of the map. So I hope you people have got the basics of the earth, how it looks, world. So again I'd like to take you to the Google Earth so that you will trace everything. Let us go there. Okay, this is our earth. You can see here, this full is Asia. Now this is Africa. This continent is Africa. This is Africa. Then again, if you go here, this is full. This is North America. This is North America. And then if you come down, it will be South America. And this portion is full South America. So this is our full world. This is our earth. So if you go here, I'd like to show you different things in Google Maps also. If I take you to the Google map, then it will be, yes, here you can see in detailed manner. This is Africa, this is Asia, this is North America, this full is North America, this is South America. Okay, so let us study some different things. If I zoom in, what are the things I observe in this map? So as you can see here, Asia and this Africa, Asia and Europe, sorry, Asia and Europe is getting separated by a mountains called Ural Mountains. So if I take you to this position here, at this point, this is Asia. This Asia is getting separated by mountains here with Europe. So these are called Ural Mountains. Ural Mountains. So if you see Asia, in Asia there are three major countries. One is Russia, then is China, then it is India, which is our country. So these are the main countries in the Asia. Russia is the largest country in the geographical form. Then if I go to the Europe, as I said, you can see a small things here. Okay, white like structures you can see here. So this is a lake called Caspian Sea. This is Caspian Sea. Here this is Black Sea. Caspian Sea, this is Black Sea, this is Mediterranean Sea. So I'll show you in detail manner how they looks. So here in this image you can see here, this is the Caspian Sea. This is the Caspian Sea. This is the Black Sea. in exam, these are very important things. If you are studying world geography, you should know these all things. This is Caspian Sea, this is Black Sea, this is Mediterranean Sea. See, this is also a lake. These all are lakes. So everywhere, at all the side, they are covered with the land, and at the center they are having water. So these kinds of structures are called lakes. Caspian Sea is also lake. Okay, if we see again, one minute. So if you want to see them all in very detailed manner, then these are the things you can see on Google Earth. That is, the Caspian Sea is here, and this is the Black Sea, and this is the Mediterranean Sea. Okay. Okay, fine. So this is the just introduction of these all. And one more thing I would like to share here is, in Google Map, I'll take you. 1 minute. Okay, so if I see about the North America, so in the North America, largest country is Canada, and here it is Canada, upside one. This is United States of America. This is Mexico. There are three major countries in the North America: Canada, USA, and Mexico. And this Alaska is also part of USA. Please remember, Alaska is also part of USA, which is here. And one more thing you can see here is, this part is called Greenland. This Greenland is a part of Denmark. Greenland is a part of Denmark, which is there in Europe. So this Greenland belongs to the Denmark. We can see here. So Denmark is in Europe. So to this country, this Greenland belongs. Okay, one more thing I'd like to tell you is, so as you can see, the world is surrounded by some lines. Those are called latitudes and longitudes. So the important latitudes are, so these horizontal lines are called latitudes, and these vertical lines are called longitudes. So the important horizontal lines or important latitudes are equator, which is exactly passing at the middle of Earth. Then is Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Equator is going exactly on 0 degree, and Tropic of Cancer is at 23.5 north latitude, and Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 south latitude. So please remember these latitudes. These are very, very important. Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, and equator. So if you have any doubts, please let me know. So still some more detailed things we'll study in this world series or the geography series. Also, we are parallelly running the solar system series. You will be getting videos on that also soon. So subscribe my channel and like, share, subscribe if you like my videos. Thank you. Bye.